So oh, I spent like almost an hour with pen and paper trying to draw out the UX and UI design of the web app. But since the web app draw, um, it's just not clicking. It's not being what I want to be. And I know this part of the process. Sometimes you just hit some creative block and you can't just think straight ahead and get what you want in just a day. And I get it. It's part of it. So I have to clear my mind, just go for a walk. And hopefully when I sit down, there will be something new in my mind that I can continue with it. So,
this is what I'm going for. I've done a lot of stuff. I'm trying to draw some UX here. I came out with this bunch of stuff here, very complicated to do. But the first one, but it wasn't looking that kind of good, so I had to scrap it all out and start all over again. And I tend to lean more on a simple and minimalistic look. So I'm using white and a shade of white, and also using this kind of blue color. It's blue, but it's more like an violet blue color and tint of these blues, so you get the deep one, more of black in it with the shade of it, the very lights and the normal blue here, and this obviously the test color, and the primary color is white and shade of white. So yeah, I'm going with three toggles plus one, which is settings down here, one for the dashboard, which is the main board that you get to, the bookmark, so you can bookmark any course that you want to learn. And let me pull this component here. And yeah, I created this component to kind of have the course that you want to take. So the course have a thumbnail. This one is a tag to identify the course very easily. So you can see this is a UI UX design. This is just an image I grabbed from Google, then paste it there, and it has this tag which is design. So it's showing the category that the course is under, and here this is the title by the author of the course, the duration, average duration to take the course, and if it is in a series or it's a single video, you show it down here, and the rating of the course. And also there's a button that you can toggle to bookmark it, or you can start learning right away. So I tend to do very, very minimalistic, not to put a lot of stats in it, but going straight to the point and making the users easy to identify and see what they're looking for very, very easily. And here will be for the logo, which I haven't done yet. I'm planning on making it based on the name of the app. So I'll probably grab the first letter and do some scribbles or some stuff to it to create the logo. And here's the bookmark page. When you bookmark something, just pop up here as bookmark. One thing I did not talk about, on top of here you can see there's a header and a search bar here to search for the course. So in case you want to learn maybe JavaScript or anything, just share this through here, then it will take you to available JavaScript courses. There's one tab called trending courses, so you can just pop here and see the courses that a lot of people are learning, which here I just put Amazon Web Service, HTML, CSS for It's just some dummy data so that I will know how things are going to be for there. And yeah, I'm planning on doing the search bar, how the search is going to look like when you're searching for item. So I'm taking inspiration from YouTube on how their cards appear in longer formats whenever you search for an item there, which is not the same as how their normal cards or maybe card templates look on their homepage, as in their square rectangular formats there. So that's what I'll be implementing, or let's say designing, maybe tomorrow, because I'm kind of tired. My eyes are I have to take a sleep. Yeah, but so good. It's going pretty much well. I thought maybe there might be changes in it later on, but I've already drawn how I want to implement it over here. So it will be kind of a long format like YouTube, and I really don't want to spend a lot of time building the UI or then the UX, because I don't know what will happen during the code. Coding is dynamic, anything could happen. There might be a bug, an error or something in some of the libraries, or maybe the framework I'll be using, which will limit me during the time of building and stuff, because you're doing this in 100 days and you need to make it as quick as possible, so that in case there's any potential errors or bugs, I can fix them within the 100 days. And then yeah, so see you tomorrow, hopefully when I'm done with this. Right.